I now invite Bishop.
The one who spearheaded this movement from the start, and he is still every doing the same up to today. And that is our dear President of the Republic of Uganda.
That we have a lot to contribute to our living relation in Uganda. The conviction of some individuals to defend what is right for the country, which is the grace of Allah, has served as